Okay, this is Mr. Ege continuing from the CNC 101, and this is where we left in the last video lesson on the Fairfax High School TSA logo design, and we just simply entered pretty much all the values, okay, redesign uh, the line work, okay, of the CNC logo, and now we're going to be using uh, control points after clicking on, okay, to we are moving up and down, okay, the letters until you are satisfied with the exact location, okay? And when it is done, you can also modify it too. And when it is done, you can literally change the size of it and so on and so forth. And there are a number of things you can do, okay? Maintain the text size, you can go with that. And then ultimately, you erase the guidelines that you don't need anymore, okay? And you just close the system. I think you need to select everything so that you can print it. All the line work has been selected now. And see, we don't have anything in the 3D view yet. All right. We can have two screens from the top right-hand corner. Okay. And as a matter of fact, one of the screens can be larger. Okay, like that. And we go to toolpath from the top right-hand corner, click on it. Okay. And we choose one of the tools. There are many tools here, and one of them is profile tool that literally cuts the profile. Other one is pocket. It makes a pocket. This one makes drilling holes, and this particular one is quick engraving, so on and so forth, and inlay toolbar, okay, toolpath. And we are choosing a prism carving toolpath. Okay, we'll click on this one. And we don't want to do this too much. We want to only carve it. The depth of the prism will be about zero point 0.1 or 1/10 of an inch. Okay. Uh, I'm afraid that it's going to be if you carve it a little bit too much, it's going to be ugly and unrecognizable. So that's why we want to go with this. And also, one of the things you want to check it out is the um, conventional climbing, the cut direction. Use the vector selection order, and we're not using this one. And Z height is 0.2 inches. The selector vector selection, okay, can be selected. We're only using vectors or close polylines, okay? All right, and click OK and calculate. And it says here something like one duplicated vectors were identified. Okay, click OK. And we have something came out. There you go. But we're not sure how it's going to look like unless you click on preview section. So this is pretty much how it looks. I think it's fairly good. Okay, logo, Fairfax High School logo. And give it a try, please. And if you have any trouble, call me and I will help you. Oh, at the center, you may want to have some kind of um, a texture, some kind of a pattern. Fairfax High School letters came out nicely, beautifully, and the logo looking good. But we do not have the texture yet. So that will be, we're going to take a look, go back and do it again one more time. This time we're going to go back, okay, to drawing, line drawing, select the center part because we want the center part to have some texture. And then you want to go and close this particular and create texture option, texturing toolpath. Okay, when you do that, starting that is 0, 0, and when you do that, you're just gonna simply calculate, okay, how the texture is created. But make sure that you click on this preview texture, and texture is gonna come out like that. Okay. I think this is, if you can bring it to this point, it's really for the beginning, very good. And goal is accomplished. You learned the CNC 101. This is the pair basics of the CNC technique, converting lines into grooves and perfectly. Okay, it's a highly precision tool. And thank you very much for your time, and just give it a try and let me know. And if you need wood, let me know also. I have the wood also waiting for you. Have a great day.